The Northeastern College of Engineering student life is pretty diverse. We have a ton of clubs on campus, and you really have the opportunity to join whatever you want to do. If you have a passion, there's probably already a club for it.
The biggest and most influential thing that I've done well here at Northeastern was being involved in Baja. The Northeastern Baja team is a College of Engineering club that designs, builds, and races a single-seat off-road vehicle every year in national collegiate competitions. I build race cars, which is a really cool thing to say. We build a race car from scratch and then race it all around the country. It's by far the coolest thing I've done at Northeastern.
I got involved with ChemiCar my freshman year. We build a shoebox-sized car, not a real-sized car, that is powered by 2 different chemical reactions. So one of the chemical reactions provides power to the car, just makes it go, while the other is a timing reaction, because the whole point of ChemiCar is it culminates to this final competition where you show up day of and they tell you that day what distance they want the car to go. So your goal is to go as close to that distance as possible.
I've been a member of the Northeastern chapter of Engineers Without Borders. I'm leading a group that is developing this water distribution system in Uganda and providing clean water to people who don't have access to it. That leadership role has really helped me come into my own and be a stronger engineer.
So a lot of the clubs that I'm in are the cultural, academic, and professional development organizations, the Society for Hispanic Professional Engineers, the Black Engineering Student Society, as well as the Society for Women Engineers. It's just been a lot of focus on welcoming new members, building this space where you can have people who are within similar discipline of engineering, computer science, all things STEM, and also have a similar cultural background to you. And we just really want to have a community where you can ask us any questions that you have. We're a support system for you here.
Solar Decathlon is a national collegiate competition hosted by the Department of Energy, and basically you have to design a net zero energy building as college undergrads. We're participating in the Build Challenge. We actually just got a developer. They're going to be helping us with site acquisition, construction planning, construction documentation, and they're also going to be helping to finance the project, so we're actually going to be locally constructing this project.
Generate is Northeastern's only student-led product development studio. So in Generate, we take on clients and we work on their projects for a semester, and then we give them something great at the end. So some projects I've worked on a medical device, a guitar accessory, a makeup container that's supposed to be more accessible, and I'm currently working on a solar array for a boat.
My new job will be in section 352, which is spacecraft mechanical engineering. I think the thing that helped me get this co-op was definitely my work in one of the student clubs and organizations here on campus called the Students for the Exploration and Development of Space, or NUSEDS. I was able to get a lot of really hands-on technical experience doing design and manufacturing, and then also writing technical papers. I had experience and I had concrete evidence that I can do that kind of work, even just as a sophomore.
I joined the Aerospace Club in my freshman year because it sounded cool. They build rockets and I wanted to build rockets. The Aerospace Club presents so many interesting applications of things that you may have encountered in classes or on co-op, and it presents the opportunity for people to really dive into those things without any sort of barrier in terms of prior experience. My independent research was born out of the Aerospace Club and my involvement there.
It's just great to be around like-minded people who really want to just do research and learn outside of the classroom and be able to apply what they learn in the classroom to something else.
I couldn't have done my co-ops without my experience here. If I wasn't on Baja, I would not have been at Tesla, I wouldn't have been at SpaceX. Baja built me as a person, and then after that I was able to go and literally travel the world for co-op.
My technical work in SEDS, as well as my leadership positions in SEDS, allowed me to get a really wide breadth of knowledge when it comes to both being an engineer, but also being an effective leader and role model. That is experience that has objectively made me a better engineer, and I'm extremely grateful for getting.